Whatever BESSEY vise you own, keeping it clean is the first step to a long and useful life. Take the time to wipe it down after each use to help prevent foreign matter from interfering with the ways and screws. Apply a thin coat of lubricant to the main spindle or screw. Wipe away any excess that dirt or debris might get trapped in. Working the jaws open and closed will ensure that the entire spindle gets lubed. A thin coat of lubricant should also be applied to the slide, casting nuts, and other exposed metal surfaces, generally anywhere there's metal-to-metal contact. A dry lube is ideal. It won't tend to trap dirt and dust the way grease and oil can. Covering your vise between uses will help keep it clean and dust-free. And remember that your vise is for work holding. Using it as a press or a cheater bar is not advised. With proper use and care, your BESSEY vise will provide a lifetime of service.